Hey guys, I am probably going to make that grilling area disappear. It's right up against the house, west side. The sun kills me. And I thought, you know, dadgum, I've got this nice 20 by 20 patio with a 14 by 14 pergola on it. So I moved my grilling stuff out here. And it's pretty nice out here right now. Maybe in the middle of summer it'll be still hot. But I've got my Pit Boss right over here. Got my Weber kettle right over there. Of course, our table. I've got my Smoke Hollow smoker right there. I haven't decided if I'm gonna keep it there or not. I may bring it back up to the house. I haven't decided. Then I have my Blackstone and my prep cart. And tonight we're gonna do easy tacos. I just come back here in the house to get the ranch style beans. It's gonna be super simple, guys. Don't try to do anything really super difficult if I keep from it. I've got some Old El Paso in my mix with the street taco. I think it's gonna be a good flavor. Ranch style beans, some corn tortillas. There's my hamburger meat I just thawed out from the freezer. And man, we're gonna get ready to rock and roll out here. Gotta stay with hand over here. Get some of these canned ranch style beans going. Won't take them long to heat up at all. Have these, I bought this, I can't remember, it's the dollar store probably, but it's lasted a long while. And it's really handy when you're cooking outside. For show. Alright. I'll show you guys what I'm going to do on this. This is 2.5 pounds of ground beef chuck, 80/20. And me personally, since I've been starting to do smash burgers, it just seems like that Maillard reaction gives good flavor to anything, chili, taco meat, whatever, and hamburgers. So I'm going to smash these down, get a little bit of crust on each side of these, and then I'm going to top it up, put my seasoning on it. Although I'm using taco seasoning, I always put a little bit of my Italian special blend, salt, pepper, garlic, and onion, touch of paprika, and I'm picking up hamburger meat. So, yeah, don't take much, just a little bit of, it doesn't get in here. I'm gonna let these go a little bit longer. Try to get a little bit of Maillard reaction on this. See that? I don't know if you can see that or not. That's just a little bit of crust right there. I think that's once it's topped up, it just adds a little bit more flavor to everything. The little lady's coming out, so you better beware. What up? Big old hamburger patties, aren't they?
Yeah, I thought we were having tacos.
Get the crusties on there, then chop it up, more flavor.
So yeah, we finished up outside on the Blackstone griddle, brought the taco meat and taco shells inside. My wife had kind of a mini taco bar, I guess, area fixed up. We have the rice and beans there in the background, the pans. We're using our festive taco platters. The slots there hold 3 tacos, of course. The seasonings just turned out perfect. I always have those 2 in the house at all times. You guys have seen me use the Blackstone Street Taco seasoning on several cooks. I love that stuff, but I also like old El Paso seasoning as well. And I mixed them together, and it really turned out quite well. We really enjoyed them for sure. And for me, I have to have on all of my tacos, on most of my Mexican dishes, my Hatch Valley green chilies that my buddy Kevin over at Man Kitchen Recipes sent to me. It's awesome. If you guys haven't tried those, you've got to get you some of those as well. So you guys go over to Rich's channel, Just Cook the Damn Food, and check out all the collaborators on this. Pound Cinco de Mayo food. And you guys, really appreciate you stopping by. Please like, share, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Take care.